In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to a Docusign transaction room quickly and easily. Whether you're organizing a team project or working on a real estate transaction, inviting the right people to collaborate is essential for keeping everything organized and running smoothly. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner and click on the Login button. Enter your email address and password, then click Login to access your account. Make sure your credentials are correct to avoid any delays. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Docusign dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage documents, agreements, and transaction rooms all in one place. From here, locate and open your transaction rooms. Depending on your setup, this may appear as rooms in the main menu. Click into the specific room where you want to invite someone. Once inside the transaction room, look for the option to add or invite users. This is usually labeled as Invite, Add User, or Invite Your Team. Click on it to begin. Now it's time to enter the invitee's details. Start by typing their full name in the designated field. Make sure the spelling is correct to avoid any confusion. Next, enter their email address carefully. This is important because the invitation will be sent directly to this email. If available, assign the appropriate role or permission level. This determines what the person can access or modify inside the transaction room, so choose wisely based on their role in the project. Once everything is filled in correctly, click the Invite button. Docusign will immediately send an invitation to the person's email. When they receive the email, they can accept the invitation and gain access to the transaction room, allowing them to collaborate with you seamlessly. A helpful tip is to notify the person before sending the invite. Let them know to expect the email and guide them on how to accept it. This can help avoid confusion and speed up the process. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily invite team members or clients into your Docusign transaction room and keep your workflow efficient and organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.